Hi, I'm Patrick with MarineMax Stuart. Today I'll be showing you the all-new 2020 175 Dorado. If you start from the back, we're going to show you the 90-horse Yamaha, very reliable engine, as well as a little swim platform and stainless steel ladder on the other side. You're going to notice these beautiful leather seats, as well as the recessible stainless steel cleats. As you notice, all the cup holders and rod holders that you're going to see here are going to have drains that actually drain towards the back of the boat into the bilge. You're going to notice this is all hand-laid fiberglass. All the screws on the rub rail are going to be torqued the same. And as we move to the midship, you'll notice two captain chairs, as well as Yamaha smart gauges, toggle switches, and a fusion stereo. Storage space, stainless steel cup holder, and then we'll have more storage, phone, Loctite storage up here, as well as storage down here. You'll notice two fusion speakers. This boat is well equipped with a Bimini top. As you see here, it just goes right in here and it'll cover all the way to the bow of the boat. As you move forward to the midship, you're going to have layout seats here, as well as storage cooler space in here. We'll have two more fusion speakers towards the bow, a huge bow storage locker, as well as an anchor locker and a recessive cleat. If you guys have any questions, please give me a call at 561-847-6675. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.